What's going on, YouTube people? Today I'm going to show you how I wash my bike at home. I used to make a video on how to wash a bike at a public wash, and now I've upgraded my setup. I've got a couple things to make it easier. I'll show you what to do, and we're going to make this bike nice and clean. First thing you're going to need is a electric pressure washer. Super handy, super useful. And then I keep a bucket with a mitt in it and soapy water. I've got this attachment for the pressure washer. It's kind of like a foam cannon. It just helps get the soap everywhere. And then for drying, I actually have an electric blow dryer. It's like for weeds and things, but it works really good at getting all the water off the paint so you don't get any water spots after. So let's get into it. Alright, so we are all done washing this bike, and I just want to do a quick walk around to show you guys how it comes out after that quick little wash. It's by no means a detail. It's kind of a quick and dirty, but it makes your bike look really, really good afterwards. And it's almost a touchless wash, so you don't have to worry about swirls or anything. But as you can see, paint looks great. Comes out looking really, really fresh after doing a quick little wash like that. So I figured I'd show you that you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars at a detail to make your bike look good. This probably took me a whole 20 minutes to do, and everything is looking fresh and new. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this is John's Motorcycles. If you like what you're seeing, feel free to like and subscribe. If you don't, leave a comment and tell me all about it.